Hello everyone, I am Anil John from Karnataka. Today I am going to tell about my post EDA capstone project. My topic name is Hotel Booking Analysis. I have done individually. Here project summary. This project is related to hotel booking having two hotel description, city hotel and resort hotel. In this dataset contains total rows 1,19,390 rows and 32 columns here. We also know that removed as we find the duplicate items equal to 87,396. We use drop function. We also know that visualize any data from the data set. You have to do post data wrangling. For that, we are check the null value of the columns. Next, here get GitHub link. This is problem statement. Let's begin now. Here, first we have to do that. First import our all libraries. Here, import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib, pyplot as plt, matplotlib inline. From datetime, import datetime, import cborn as sns, import ast. Here, cborn and matplotlib helps to visualization part. So we use having to import equally. Here, we have to drive or mounted. Here, you choose your file and paste here, CSV file. This is a dataset head. Next, coming to dataset view. Here, what kind of rows and column name here? This is a column name. Hotel is cancelled, lead time, arrival date, year. This is row. Instead of the values. Let's coming to dataset and row. Next, coming to we use a df dot index method. We also use df dot columns. Here, programming index is start with the 0. Next, here, what is columns name? Hotel is cancelled, lead time, arrival date, year, arrival date, month. Yeah. Next, coming to our dataset information, we use df dot info. We also here you also check our information for data. Next, coming to duplicate values here. We use to duplicate value count to drop function. Here, df dot drop function. Next here, total duplicate rows 31,994. Next, remaining unique rows here 87,396. Yeah. Next, coming to view unique data. Reset our data index. You see here these much of values. Next, coming to missing value of count. Then we replace all null values here. You use df dot fill by na, np dot na in place is equal to 2 here. Next, coming to visualizing missing values, we can check a count of null values usual column here. Company, agent, country, children. 4 columns having these much of null values have there. Next, what did you know about your data set? Here, the data set is contains a single file which compares various booking information between two hotels, a city hotel and a resort hotel. Includes information such as when the booking was made, length of stay, the number of adults, children, and babies, the number of available parking space among their things. The dataset contains a total of 1,19,390 rows and 32 columns. Dataset contains duplicate items 31,944, which is removed later. In this dataset, we find data types of every columns in float string. We and observe that some columns data types is not accurate and the remove later. We find unique value of every columns. It means what actual values in every columns. Next, coming to we know the coming to understanding your variables. Let's know. Let's check data set columns name here. Let's describe all inside of the value. Here we have described the column, which column having the counter, which column having a mean, standard deviation, minimum. This is the first quartile, second quartile, third quartile. Which column having maximum. Here, let's coming important topic. Describe variable. Description of individual variable. The columns and the data is represent are listed below. Here, hotel, name of the hotel, or resort hotel, or city hotel is cancelled. If the booking was cancelled, one is cancelled, zero is represent not cancelled. Huh? That next also lead time, number of days before the actual arrivals of the guest. Also arrival date year, arrival date month, arrival date week number, arrival date day of month. Stay in weekend nights. Here, number of weekend nights, Saturday or Sunday, spent at the hotel by the guest. Stay in the weeknights, number of weeknights, Monday to Friday, spent at the hotel by the guest. Adults, children's, babies, meal, country, market segment, distribution channel. Name of booking distribution channel is repeated guest. If the booking was from a repeated guest, one is represent is repeated guest, zero is repeated, represent is not repeated guest. Previous cancellation. Here, number of previous booking that were cancelled by the customer prior to the current booking. Previous booking not cancelled. Number of previous booking not cancelled by customer prior to the current booking. We also check resort room type. Code of room type resort, assign room type, code of the room type assigned, booking changes, number of changes, amendments made of the booking, deposit type, deposit of the made of the guest, agent, idea of the travel agent who made the booking, company, idea of the company that the made of booking, day in waiting list, number of days the booking was in the waiting list, customer type, type of customer, assuming ones of four categories here. Next, ADR. ADR means average daily rate as defined by dividing the sum of all lodging transaction by the total number of staying nights. Yeah. Required car parking space. Number of parking space required by the customer. Total of special requests. Number of special requests made by the customer. Reservation status. Reservation status cancelled, checked out, or no show. Reservation status date. Date at the which the last reservation status was updated here. Just coming to checking unique values of each variable. Let's use this function for element in total booking df dot columns dot to a list. Use print a number of unique values in element is total booking df. Use dot unique dot n unique. Let's say see number of unique values in hotel is 2. So number of values unique values is cancelled 2. Let's know unique values of lead time 479. Let's also know unique values of arrival date of month 12 is also same. Unique values of children 5 and babies 5 also. Meals is also 5. Next coming to the describe hotel. Let's check the unique value of hotel. Let's yeah, resort hotel, city hotel, and resort hotel. City hotel. Next, check the arrival data month. Date here. Arrival data month. July month, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. Here. You also check arrival date year also. You also check adults, babies, is cancelled here. Here. You also check agent. You also check unique values of market segment. Here you also check meal, unique value of meal. Now coming to data wrangling. Data wrangling. Let's check in the miss values columns. We can check the columns here. Also company, agent, country, children. This much of unique values here. Now checking the percentage of the null values each column. Here company column you will use formula miss values divided by unit number of rows into 100. This much of percentage 93% of the company's mhm. Next, now check the agent percentage. We also check agent percentage. We also same use the same formula. Agent percentage, 13% agent percentage. We also check agent. We also check fill by the n. We also check is null function. We also there is a minimum null values agent just fill by the taking made by the all values. Next, check the value of country. A country null is also here. Miss values is same formula use. Unit number of rows. So 0.51. This much of percentage here. Same. Next, we have two null values of children. Same we are replaced from the 0 here. Now let's check shape or data set. 87,377 rows and 31 columns here. Now check. Now see here whether database having the null values. Here hotel is 0. Next is cancel also 0. Lead time also 0. Is all columns having null values here. 0 means change data types required columns. Now it's coming to change data types of next coming or data set information. You hotel here. Yes here float. Children also float type as type. And also is there also agent also float type to convert to float to integer. Here agent children column and agent to convert as type integer. Now additional to new column as per requirement. Total stay nights addition to stay in week nights addition to stay in weekend nights. Here this much of values here. We also checking revenue stay night nights multiply with ADR. We also check coming each booking of the total guest of the to addition to adults, babies, children here. So 1,76,999 here total guest here. We also check. We also replace of the is cancelled. Zero is represent not cancelled. One is represent is cancelled. Here. Here. We also check is repeated guest. Same way like that. We also check overall revenue hotel wise. Or hotel wise revenue. We use a group by function. Hotel and multiply with revenue. Here, city hotel and resort hotel. This much of revenue here. Here. Let's coming to main visualization part. First, we use plotting histogram. Here, lead time, arrival date here. Here, see here. 2016 here most coming to guest to the year to 2016. Adults also 13 weeks to also coming here. Most of the coming here there. Also describe to detail way. You used to why you use this chart. Next to understand the clear with the proper insight histogram here. The histogram a popular graphing tool. It is used to summarize the described data that is measured on the interval scale. What are insight found from this chart? We can see that maximum guest came in the 2016. Maximum arrival week number 30. Maximum arrival happened in last month. Maximum guest come with no children. This very less space for vehicles parking. Next chart to so many bar chart and pie chart you have analyzing there. Next coming here. Here to booking percentage of the hotel by name. Here to having two hotels, city hotel, resort hotel. This percent of having city hotel 61%, 38% having resort hotel. This is greater than 30 city hotel. Yeah, more. You used to present the data is hotel more than have to be done. Here we found the booking number of the higher City Hotel, which is 61%. Resort Hotel, 38%. Hence, we can say that City Hotel has more consumption. Will the gain under the inside the help the creating the positive impact? Also check. Find the solution attraction with the guest with the City Hotel and did attract guest. City Hotel, the provide more the service to attract the more guests, increase the more revenue. Let's chart 3. Let's chart the cancellation volume of hotel. Is there having 72% not cancelled? Is having the only is cancelled, 27% is cancelled, showing there. Let's chart percentage to cancellation of the hotel booking. Here we found that overall more than 25% booking not cancelled. So next we as next we also here we can see that the 27% booking getting the cancelled. So also we can check reason cancellation of booking and need to get their sort in business level. Let's coming the chart 4. We also using bar chart. I will use line plot. Next is also used to count plot. You help to easily analyzing there. Is also pie chart. We also pie chart month wise booking here. August month, July month, is May month is most staying there, and is there January month is coming. So minimum customer are staying there in hotel. To show the percentage share the booking each month of the overall level. Here, the above percentage of the May, July, August is the highest booking month due to holiday session. Remaining aggressive advertising low, more customer will be gained inside the positive business impact. Yes, yes. With the increase the volume of the visitors will help the hotel to manage the revenue down, which will also help the employee satisfaction and retention. Use also uh, pie chart here. Guest repeating status here. 96% is not repeated guest. Only having 3% is repeated here. To show percentage of repeated non-guest here. Also here we can see that the number of repeated guests very compared to overall guest. Uh, Here we also check the which room type of people's occupied. Here A type of the most people's are occupied as D type, also E type. Here we will pick the specific chart to distribution by volume, which room is allotted. What is the inside of the front of the chart? The chart shows the A most preferred to guest. And next is positive factor. AD is more prepared guest due to better service offered room type. Here, this is market segment chart. Here, all and TA is more stands for more booking type. Here, the online TA has been the most used by frequently hotel booked in the guest. Here, this is a country-wise data frame. Here, to top 10 countries is guest staying there. Here, PRT means stands for Portugal. GBR stands for Great Britain and Northern Ireland. PFR stands for France. ESP stands for Spain. DU stands for Germany. ITS stands for Italy. IRL stands for Ireland. BRS stands for Brazil. Netherlands BL stands for Belgium. AL stands for Netherlands. Here, Portugal is most is this showing the chart. Portugal countries people most coming to stay their hotel. It shows we have seen that the mostly country guest incoming. So next, what are the inside of the room chart? As we can see that maximum guest coming from the Portugal. Next, we will the gain of the business impact. Here, here, this much of chart. Yeah. This are also a scatter plot chart. This also one bar chart means means a meal. Oh, how do BB? First, BB means bed breakfast. Here to show the preference of the guest white hotel ways. Hotel is as we can see, BB means breakfast. Meal most prepare the guest in the both hotels. So hotel we can see more delicacies of the meal. So is the heat map. We also here positive percentage of hotel heat map. Say 39% of negative. Early time, arrival date, stay in weekend nights. Uh, Yeah. This is why did you pick that specific that a correlation of label showing the correlation of coefficient between variable each cell in variable shows correlation between two variables. Say correlation matrix is used to summarize data. Customer can unlikely to cancel booking. There don't get the customer name room as per the issued adults, children, babies correlated to each other. We also use a pair plot chart. So many pair plot charts here. Use with babies. Uh, Next here, business objectives. What do you suggest to the client to achieve the business objective? For the hotel business to flourish, few things which we need consider by high revenue generation, customer satisfaction, and employees retention. We are able to achieve the same showing the client which are months are high revenue generation by chart distribution. Increasing the revenue achieved by the bar chart distribution most reserved and are the most month of likes here. Outliers higher than the visitors. My idea has reduced mostly like we shown the scattered plot of the civil seasons client engaging of life. Next, we are also able to show the trend variables of visitors, client location for which client engage visitors all at once there. We were also able to relate the values of showing the max and minimum percentage of the between them so that percentage laying with those number of can enhance by various column. Next last topic coming to last topic conclusion. City hotel seems more prepared among the travelers and it is also generation the more revenue on profit. Most number of booking are made of July and August compared to guest. Coming third point, room type A is the most prepared room type among the travelers. Fourth point, most number of bookings are made of the Portugal and Great Britain. And most of the guests stay 4 days in the hotels. City hotels retain more number of guests. Around the one fourth of the booking the guest cancellation of the city hotel. New guest attends cancellation of the repeated guests. And lead time also number of the days you also get you also room type of the customers here. The corporate also the length of the stay decrease and the ADR increase the labor problem reduce of the cost. Thank you.